Look, I'm going to be straight with you. Everyone's pumping out videos claiming they found the best AI tools after using them for 5 minutes. I wanted to do something different. I actually spent a full week with 7 different AI tools, using them for real work, real projects, and dealing with real frustrations. Some of these blew my mind. Others? Complete waste of time. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, ChatGPT with Canvas. I use this for content planning and editing. The Canvas feature lets you work on documents side by side with the AI, making edits in real time. After a week, here's my take. It's genuinely useful for brainstorming and first drafts. But here's what nobody tells you. You still need to heavily edit everything. The AI voice can sound pretty generic. I'd give it a 7 out of 10 for productivity, but you need to bring your own personality to the final product. Tool number 2, Midjourney version 6. I created thumbnails, social media graphics, and just experimented with weird ideas. The quality is undeniably impressive, but the learning curve, steeper than people admit. Prompt engineering is a real skill. By day 3, I was getting consistent results. By day 7, I felt like I'd unlocked something powerful. The subscription is pricey though, 8 out of 10, but only if you're willing to invest time learning it. Tool number 3, Descript. This one's for video editing. You edit video by editing text. It's wild. I used it for cutting out filler words, generating captions, and even removing background noise. The time I saved was significant. Probably cut my editing time by 40%. The AI voice cloning feature is cool, but still sounds slightly robotic for long-form content. Solid 9 out of 10 for anyone doing regular video work. Tool number 4, Notion AI. I tried using this to organize my content calendar and automate some of my workflow documentation. Honestly, this one disappointed me. It's not bad, but it felt like a feature that was tacked on rather than built in naturally. The AI suggestions were hit or miss, and I found myself just using regular Notion features most of the time. 5 out of 10. You're probably better off with ChatGPT in a separate tab. Tool number 5, ElevenLabs, full transparency. I'm using this right now for this voiceover. I tested it against recording my own voice for a week. The quality is genuinely impressive. Brian sounds natural, the pacing is good, and it saves me hours of recording and re-recording. The downside? It costs money for enough characters to do regular videos, and you lose some of the authentic human connection. But for efficiency, it's hard to beat. 8.5 out of 10. Tool number 6, OpusClip. This tool takes long videos and automatically creates short-form clips. I fed it some of my longer content to see what it would generate. Results were mixed. When it worked, it saved massive amounts of time, but it also made some really questionable editing choices. Cutting sentences in weird places, choosing random moments as highlights. You can't just set it and forget it. 6 out of 10, useful but requires supervision. Tool number 7, Perplexity AI. I use this for research instead of Google for the entire week. This one surprised me the most. The cited sources, the summarized answers, the follow-up questions it suggests. It changed how I research topics. I found myself getting deeper into subjects faster. My only complaint is that sometimes I want the messy chaos of regular search results. But for focused research, absolute game changer. 9 out of 10. The honest truth. After a week with all these tools, here's what I learned. AI tools are powerful, but they're not magic. The best results came when I used them to handle tedious tasks, editing, research, initial drafts, so I could focus on strategy and creativity. The worst results came when I tried to let the AI do everything. That's when things felt generic, soulless, and honestly kind of useless. My advice? Pick 1 or 2 tools that solve your biggest time-wasting problems. Master those. Don't try to use every shiny new AI tool that drops. If you want me to do a deep dive on any of these tools specifically, drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, subscribe. I'm testing new AI tools every week and sharing what actually works. Thanks for watching.